In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to do a poll on Snapchat. If this is something that you want to learn, then make sure you stick till the end and watch this video entirely. So let's get right into it. Open up your Snapchat and head over to the camera section of your Snapchat. Now you can just take a snap of the background that you want. I'll just snap a black screen. Now once you capture the snap, on the right hand side, you'll see an option of stickers. Tap on this option and on the top panel, you'll see a couple of options. Make sure that you're under the star option and here you'll have an option of poll. So just tap on the poll option that you see right here and a poll will be created. Now you can only add in a sticker poll on Snapchat. You cannot add in any text to your polls. You can type in questions or any sentences that you want to add. Now to change the stickers, you can just tap on the sticker and choose any sticker that you want. Do the same for the other one as well. And your poll will be successfully created. That's the only poll that you can create on Snapchat. And you cannot add in polls as a text. Now you can send it to your snap or add it to your story. So that's the quick video on how to do a poll on Snapchat. Leave this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you guys like this video. I'll soon be back with more informative videos similar to this. Until then, keep watching.